Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be yet another styling video, but before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm so excited to share these styles with you guys. I'm going to show you guys different ways I was able to style this beautiful headband wig. This headband wig is from Yolisa Hair Company. I'm going to put all the hair specs and links in the description box below. You know, we are having it's Christmas season, so when it's Christmas season they have lots of great sales, so definitely check the link out to see if it's something that you like to get. So guys, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the package. And this is what the wig looks like. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and do my braiding pattern. It's just a simple all to the back cornrows. So now I'm done with my braiding pattern. I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water on my edges, and then I'm going to apply my jam. After applying my jam, I'm going to go ahead and brush the hair. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf and leave it to dry for like 5 minutes and then take it out. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on this headband. And this is what it looks like. I applied a little bit of oil on the wig, and you guys can see the coils are popping. So I decided to change my headband. And right here, I'm rocking another headband, as you guys can see. I'm just going to put it in a low ponytail. And this is what it looks like. Very nice. So right here, I'm going to tie the other scarf on it. And then I'm going to do like a top knot bun. and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this style. It's so nice, so simple. So right here I'm just doing like a half up half down kind of style, and then I'm just gonna put the top of it into a bun. So this is what it looks like. Very nice. So right here I decided to do just one more style. I just decided to do like 2 bun at the back. And this is actually the last style. I really enjoyed styling this hair with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.